What do you need to jump? Hey fam, good morning. It's another beautiful day from my side. So guys, yesterday I made some peanut soup later on in the evening because I didn't have any soup there. So I decided to make the peanut soup. I have it here. And then because I wanted to make fried rice today, I didn't have the ingredients in the house. So I told Poppy to go and buy me the fried rice stuff, you know, the vegetables. I even told him he should buy the one I will cut by myself, but instead this man went to buy the one they've already cut, the vegetables they've already made already. So this is what he got. This is some shrimps, yeah, and some, is it spring onions? I think so. Yeah, so yeah, he bought different kinds. You know, when you send men to the supermarket, they buy whatever they like. So he got the same type but with different kind of veggies here. This have carrots and then green beans here, you can see, and this one. So yeah, he got this as well. So, and also I told him to buy bell pepper, the one the fresh bell pepper, you get it, the one with different colors, red, green and yellow. But he also bought the one they've already chopped, you know, they've already chopped. So I think I'm gonna be using some of this one, and then I'm gonna be using this one because of the shrimps, and then I will preserve this, and then I will chop some carrots because I will need carrots, right? And also I told him to buy me some food seasoning. I told him to buy me seasoning. All this I told him I have some, you should buy different one because I love to use different kind of seasoning. But instead he bought curry. Can you imagine? This is curry and this is curry again. I don't know if he checked. Same thing. Yeah, this is curry and this is curry, and then this is rosemary. Yeah, and then this is what's it called, turmeric, and then this is for jollof rice, the color that they add for jollof rice. So I don't know why he bought all this. So guys, this is egg and then sardine. I added sardine to the egg so that it can give it different taste. Yeah, so this is it. I just finished my fried rice. Baby, I just heard baby crying, so Poppy is going to take care of him. My fried rice is cooked and dusted. Hey, baby! Why you crying, baby? Why you crying? He's hungry. So now my soup has cooled down right now because it was so hot, so I left it for it to cool down. I'm coming to preserve it in the fridge. Thank God though. The way I've been thinking of making this fried rice, and today God has made a way. I'm now done and dusted. Now I have to make jollof rice. That's what I'm thinking, making of jollof rice. Yeah, and then I have some, I prepared some okra soup the other day. I'm now heating it up because it had been in the fridge for a long time. I made this soup and it's been like 2 weeks. No one has touched this soup. I was even telling my husband that I'm not making okra soup in this house again. I made this soup, I ate some, no one ate some. No, I want to eat some rice. So I am preheating it and put it in the fridge. I'll eat my own soup. If they will not eat, I'll eat my own soup. Oh no, I'm coming. Yeah.
Desde las 6 de la madrugada hasta miles de recoletos.
You want cartoon? What do you see there? What do you see there? Do you want cartoon? Ha! This boy like watching TV, eh? He like watching TV. We are watching news here. The way he's watching, as if he knows something. You want cartoon? You want cartoon? You want cartoon, baby? You want cartoon, baby? Yesterday when we were going to pick Lucas, when we were coming in, the way this boy was crying, so I have to on my phone and put it on cartoon music. Then I put it around his ears. Then he was sleeping. I was like, seriously, when the cartoon go off, then he will start to cry again. He will start to cry again. I was like, hey, kids these days. You already know what music is, what cartoon is, what TV is. Come and let's your Poppy go and bath. Yeah, Poppy will be going to work, so he's going to bath. He's watching. He's watching. He's watching, baby. Fam. Fam, yeah. getting ready to go and pick Lucas from school. Christabel just go back, and then I told her to go and pick Emily from school because Emily will close earlier. Because sometimes I have to go and pick Emily and then walk to Lucas school and go and pick him. I always feel tired and stressful. So today I told her to go and pick Emily for me. She has just left. I'm ready, baby is ready. So yeah, I'm going to pick him right now. I just go back home. Hey, the way this boy has showed me today. Hey, the way this boy has showed me today when I went outside to pick Lucas. He has been crying like. So it gets to a time I have to pick him and put him at my back. I thought he would stop. Still, he was just shouting, "Guy, guy, guy, guy." So I have to take him and then hold him. He don't want to sleep in the car room. He don't want to sleep in it. So I have to pick him and hold him with my one hand and then pull in the car with one hand. And then Lucas too is following me, worrying me. Ha! Today I was so frustrated outside, eh? I was like, what is wrong with you? But when I put him back, when I get tired and put him back, he will start shouting. So I decided not to pick him. He should shout. Then when the bus came for us to like board the bus and come here, come and see shouting. Hey, oh God, shouting for no reason. So I have to make him like cry for a while, then I have to remove him from the car and then hold him on my hands till the bus reach here. The bus reached the bus stop. And when the bus reached the bus stop, this boy was crying as hell after I put him back in the car. I was like, he don't want to sleep in that thing again. See his face. See his cute face. So guys, the cooking pots that I'm using, the cooking ware that I'm using, yeah, the stuff that I use to cook, the pots, I don't like the quality of it. Like, there's this one pot, the plain white one. When I cook with it, like, it burns so fast. I don't know, I don't like it. And also my old one too is very good, but it's old, so I want to change it. This one they gave, my husband went to buy something there. Me, I've seen it, but I haven't even ventured to ask. So when my husband went there, he saw it. I think they are doing promotion, so they gave it to him to bring to us. See this pot here, they have different stuff here. So I thought they sell it like sets, but it's not like that. Separately, one of them is 40 euro, it's like 39.99, and one is 36.99, like 40 euro, 37 euro, 28 euro, and then 30 euro. I was like, wow, I just love it. You can see it here. I just love how it is and the quality. So I just calculated the 4 pots with the frying pan together, and I was like, I will go and buy it because I just love the quality. And if you buy quality stuff, it's good because it will even you know, stay longer for you. So I will definitely go and buy it, maybe Saturday or tomorrow, I don't know. I will let Hobby go and buy it for me. And then because I want to change my cooking things, you know, all those old ones, I just want to change it. Sometimes you just have to change your kitchen stuff. So yeah, so Emily is bathing and Christopher is there. So now that I've come today, I have no cooking, any other food to cook again. So I'm just coming to rest for a while. Later on, I'll bath baby, bath Lucas, and then bath myself and put myself to sleep. Even these days, when my husband comes from work, I don't even see him. I don't even see my husband when he comes from work, because anytime he will come, I will be sleeping. The other day, I even asked him, what time did you come? I was like, I came, you were snoring. Like, I was like, baby, you don't know how tired motherhood is, eh? You don't know how tired I was, eh? It's not easy, oh. So yeah, that's it. This boy, I think he wants to sleep. Let me switch off this light then. So that I will try putting him to bed. Yeah, it's not late here, but because I've closed my window because of the coldness. And then yeah, so guys, gonna talk to you later on, okay?